Uy, wala nang mic.
Patay.
Southeast ball. Gutierrez, dribbling the ball. Pass to Divina. Divina to Gutierrez. 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 Move out by Jersey. Another pass to Salangsang. Salangsang. Deflected by Mr. Salangsang. Gutierrez. 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 Pass to Mr. Divina. Divina. No good. Score. Score is 2-0 in favor of Dreamers. Last 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Salangsang. Salangsang pass through. Foul. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. Gutierrez. Last 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Gutierrez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass through. Gutierrez. Gutierrez Javier. Javier. Number 2 by Mr. Javier. Score is all 2. Last 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Obrador dribbling the ball. Obrador. Obrador pass to Salangsang. 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 No good. Rebound by Mr. Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Gutierrez dribbling the ball. Gutierrez. 15 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Javier. Javier. No good. Rebound by Lucas. Harina to Obrador. Obrador. Foul. Jersey number 22. First personal foul. First team foul.
Yo, iyo muna.
Obrador. Obrador passes Salangsang. Salangsang. Salangsang pass to Nas. Nas. Blocked by Mr. Villanueva. Villanueva. Pursued by Mr. Villanueva. Score is 4-2. In favor of Southeast. Salangsang. Salangsang.
Bandang show.
No good by Mr. Salangsang. Steal by Mr. Salangsang. Salangsang pass. Foul.
Wait lang.
Jersey number 22, second personal foul, second team foul. Jersey number 22 out, jersey number 8 in. Obrador to Salangsang. Salangsang. Foul. Jersey number 8. First personal foul, third team foul. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Score is 4-2 in favor of Southeast. Obrador. Obrador pass to Mr. Obrador. Obrador again. Obrador. 3 seconds to shoot. Block. Mr. Villanueva to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Lower rebound by Mr. Matibag. Matibag. Mr. Matibag. Score is 6-2 in favor of Southeast. Remaining time 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Salangsang pass to Obrador. Obrador. Obrador to Salangsang. Salangsang. 10 seconds to shoot. Salangsang. Steal. Out of bounds.
14 seconds na.
Last 14 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 6 minutes and 41 seconds. Obrador, 10 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Obrador for 2. No good. Rebound by Mr. Salamsang. No good. Foul.
Well.
Jersey number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. Villanueva to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Villanueva. Villanueva to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Divina. Divina to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Divina. Divina to Divina. Foul. Jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Running for penalty. Jersey number 8 out. Jersey number 16. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Same ball. Last 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Score is 6-2 in favor of Santos. 15 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Obrador pass to Harina. Harina pass to Mr. Lucas. Lucas rebound by Jersey. Number 6, Remo. Gutierrez pass to Divina. Divina goal for 2 by Mr. Divina. Score is 9-2. Still in favor of
8 lang.
Time out daw, time out.
8-2.
Time out, sabi nila.
Sino?
Mamaya, wala pa.
Salangsang. Goal for 2 by Mr. Salangsang. Gutierrez, last 5 minutes and 24 seconds.
Huwag mo masyadong magitin ang score muna. Gawa na dodoble.
Time out. The Reavers.
Anong natodoble? Natodoble.
Nadodoble ang
Sorry. My
Di
fault.
Di matansya.
Gutierrez pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez moving. No good. Rebound by Mr. Salangsang. Steal by Jersey. By Mr. Villanueva. Obrador dribbling the ball. Last 5 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Pass to. Same ball. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Last 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Lumutos pass to Obrador. Obrador pass to Harina. Harina doesn't rebound by Gutierrez. Gutierrez with the ball. Gutierrez steal by Mr. Salangsang. Obrador. Sandy ball. Last 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Score is 8-4 in favor of Southeast. Gutierrez to Villanueva. Villanueva 3. No good. Rebound by Mayor 2. Remo. No good. Rebound by Mr. Salangsang. Salangsang pass to Mr. Harina. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Southeast ball.
Ang baba ng score hanggang matapos, no?
Harina out of Pilar yung impact.
Pasok.
Substitution. Torres in. Lumutos out.
Time out.
Last 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Gutierrez pass to Mayor. Foul.
Jersey number 10.
12.
Obrador eh. Magkapatid.
Second.
Jersey number 12, second personal foul. Third team foul. Move forward by Oliver. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Salangsang. Pass to Openario. Openario for 3. Zone. Rebound by Obrador. Obrador pass to Obrador. Obrador. 3 seconds by Obrador.
Galing.
Gutierrez, last 3 minutes and 18 seconds for his 9-4 in favor of Southeast. Gutierrez, 14, 0 by Gutierrez. Obrador. Pass to Obrador. Obrador pass to Salangsang. Salangsang, group for 2 by Mr. Salangsang, last 2 minutes and 50 seconds for is 12-6, still in favor of Southeast. Gutierrez. Alba. Dreamers ball.
Ayaw mo naman ini-electric pa.
Salangsang. Salangsang to Opelario. Opelario number. Rebound by Mayor. Mayor to Gutierrez. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 6, first personal foul, warning for penalty. 18 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez still by Mr. Obrador. Salangsang Obrador. Good for 2 by Mr. Obrador. Score is 12-8 in favor of Southeast. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Villanueva. Villanueva. Gutierrez for 3. Last 2 minutes. Score is 15-8 in favor of Southeast. Obrador to Torres. Torres is Salangsang. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Mr. Obrador. Good for 2 by Mr. Obrador. Mayor. Pass to Gutierrez. To Villanueva. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Villanueva to ball. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Villanueva to Gutierrez. 10 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez for 3. No good for 1 by Obrador. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Obrador. 15 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Still. Remo.
Ilang foul na?
Jersey number 21, first personal foul, penalty.
Galing na referee.
Sino? Taga-sambal.
Wala, bago na.
Uy, hindi nakita ba eh.
Sorry, nadala ng emosyon.
Bago lang.
Remaining time, 59 seconds. Score is 15-10, still in favor of Southeast. Group for 1 by Mr. Salangsang. Score is 15-11. Villanueva pass to Remo. Remo to Villanueva. Villanueva for 3. No rebound by Remo. Golden rebound by Obrador. Last 40 seconds. Salangsang.
Basta lang ano ito? Battery in time.
Salangsang pass to Opelario. Opelario. Traveling violation. Last 29 seconds. Score is 15-11 still in favor of Southeast. Villanueva. Villanueva gives the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Villanueva. And 35.
First.
Jersey number 24. First personal foul.
Wala.
Okay.
Shot lang. Ay, oras.
9 seconds to shoot. Obrador. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Foul.
Wait lang po. Penalty na ba tayo?
Anong foul? Hanggang first. Ano sila naka-foul?
First penalty.
14.
14. Jersey number 14. First personal foul. Penalty.
Putang na. Dami. 16. 16 nga. Nadudubli kasi. Pang-video okay kasi ito eh. Wala.
In favor of Southeast. Obrador, pass to Obrador. Obrador. Obrador, rebound by Obrador. Obrador. Golden rebound by Obrador. Obrador.
Obrador natin.
Same ball.
Nice. Shot lang.
Nine seconds to shoot.
Seven.
7 seconds to shoot. Last 9 minutes and 40 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Rebound by Remo. Remo to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Villanueva. Foul. Jersey number 24. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution.
Naiyak na.
Obrador giving the ball. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Obrador comes to Lucas. Lucas to Obrador. Alcadar, good for 2 by Mr. Alcadar.
3 seconds doon.
Score is 18-13, still in favor of Southeast. Remo, rebound by Mr. Alcadar. Alcadar, last 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Alcadar, pass to Alcadar. Alcadar. Rebound by La Rosa. La Rosa pass. Still by Alcadar. Alcadar. Foul.
Pangalawa na.
Substitute. Jersey number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 10 out. Jersey number 20. 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Score is 18-13. Still in favor of Southeast.
Nagawan, sabi?
Number 1 by Mr. Alcadar. Gutierrez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass to Javier. Javier over, rebound by Alcadar. Alcadar pass to Javier. Javier to Alcadar. Alcadar. Javier. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Last 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Score is 20-15. Still in favor of Southeast. Alcadar pass to Alcadar. 15 seconds to shoot. Alcadar. Alcadar pass to Harina. Harina for 3. No good. Rebound by Javier. Javier. Foul. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution there. Jersey number 35 out. Jersey number 16.
Sila siguro.
Parang si Kapi Pito eh. Ay, ari pala si Kapi. Pinagbintangan. Parang kaboses ni Kapi Pito.
Salangsang. Last 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Salangsang. Good point by Mr. Salangsang. Score is 22-17 in favor of Southeast. Last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. La Rosa pass to Remo. Remo. No good. Rebound by Mr. Harina. Salangsang. Salangsang. No good. Rebound by Mr. Javier. Javier.
Lang. Wait lang.
Second personal foul, team foul. Remember out, Matibati. Last 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Salangsang, last 7 minutes. Score is 24. Salangsang, pass to Lumutas. Lumutas to Salangsang. Salangsang, Arafat. The Rivers. Remaining time, last 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Score is 24-17. Still in favor of Southeast.
Ilang time out?
Wala namang time out ang Rivers and meron po tayong time out ang Southeast. Southeast ball. Larasa Bimbo. Larasa pass to Javier. Javier. Nobody Lucas. Obrador. 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 Foul. Jersey number 20, first personal foul, second team foul. Obrador. Obrador. Obrador pass to Obrador. Obrador pass to Salazar. Salazar, no good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Foul. Jersey number 24. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Last 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Out. Harina dribbling the ball. Last 6 minutes. Score is 24-17. Pass to Obrador. Obrador. For gravity violation. Southeast ball. Javier pass to La Rosa. La Rosa. Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Score is 26-17. In favor of Southeast. Salazar. Pass to Obrador. Obrador. Obrador pass to Obrador. Obrador for three. No good. Rebound by Mr. Salazar. Salazar pass to Obrador. Obrador. 3 seconds violation. Hunter pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez ready. No good rebound by Obrador. Obrador. Obrador pass to Nas. Pass to Salazar. Salazar no good rebound by Southeast ball. Last 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Score is 26-17 in favor of Southeast. La Rosa takes the ball. La Rosa. La Rosa pass to the score. Restore to La Rosa. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez to La Rosa. La Rosa. Salazar. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Salazar. Salazar to Obrador. Obrador. Good for 2 by Mr. Obrador. Score is 26-19 in favor of Southeast. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. La Rosa pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez the score. Gutierrez for 3. Good for 2 by Mr. Gutierrez. Salazar. Salazar. Salazar to Nas. Nas, good rebound by Mr. Gutierrez. Still, Obrador, good for 2 by Mr. Obrador. Score is 29-21 in favor of Southeast. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. La Rosa. La Rosa pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 2. Good for 2 by Mr. Gutierrez. Salazar giving the ball. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Score is 31-21, still in favor of Southeast. Obrador. Obrador pass to Salazar. Salazar. No good. La Rosa. La Rosa. Salazar. Salazar. Pass to Obrador. Good for 2 by This score, Lamasa. Last 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Lamasa pass to the first two. Nas to Salangsang. Salangsang to Obrador. Obrador to Salangsang. Good working by Mr. Salangsang. The score, last 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Score is 31-25. The score, pass to Javier. Javier pass to Lamasa. Balikan. Number. Rebound by Nas. Salangsang. Salangsang. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Salangsang pass to Obrador. Obrador pass to Obrador. Obrador pass to Harina. Harina to Nas. Good working by Mr. Nas. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sub na nga.
Gutierrez to Malasa. Last 2 minutes. Mr. Bertini. No good rebound by Mr. Obrador. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds. Obrador. 15 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Pass to Obrador. Obrador pass to Nas. Driving violation. Substitution. Jersey number 14, jersey number 12, out. Jersey number 5, jersey number 21, in. Last 1 minute and 42 seconds. Gutierrez steal by Mr. Obrador. Obrador, control by Mr. Obrador. Score is 31-29 in favor of Southeast. Gutierrez pass to Divina. Obrador, pass to Obrador. Good control by Mr. Obrador. Score is all 31. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Gutierrez pass the score. Divina pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Albert. Albert by Mr. Obrador. Foul. Jersey number 21. Second personal foul, third team foul. Last 57 seconds, score is all 21. Number 1 by Mr. Obrador. Number 1 again by Mr. Obrador. Score is 33-21. Change favor in favor of viewers. Last 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Madam. Pass through the score. Mr. Bertu. Rebound by Mr. Obrador. Obrador. Safer. Seconds to shoot. Obrador. Pass to Harina. Harina for 3. Foul.
Anspo.
Who's foul rep?
Wait lang. Anspo yan, Anspo. Wait lang. Two throws, ball possession. 2 throws. Ilang throws?
Jersey number 21. Unspoiled by foul. 2 throws plus ball possession.
Kaya nga, bagay. Sa finals, add payment.
Out payment.
Tatlo na daw yung 21.
Jersey number 21. Third personal foul.
Meron yung ano? Meron ilang ano yung team foul? Meron yun?
Sige na, mamaya na.
Semis ha?
Ano?
Ano, add payment? Ilang friendship? Ayun na yun!
3 shots pala sa 3-point area. Make it 3, sabihin mo, sa 3-point area. Huwag na. Ball possession,
14 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 30 seconds. Score is 31-35 in favor of Dreamers. Opener pass to Harina. Harina pass to Salangsang. Salangsang no good. Rebound by Mr. Nas to Salangsang. Salangsang by Mr. Salangsang. Last 20 seconds. Wala na po tayo shot. Shot clock. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Hindi number 3. Wala rebound by Mr. Nas. Last pass to Harina. Last 3 seconds. 2 seconds.
Third quarter.
Southeast.
Southeast ang bola.
Southeast ball. Villanueva. Villanueva pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Villanueva. Gutierrez. Gutierrez return to rebound high. The Brewers ball. Salazar. Salazar steal. Jersey number 10. Villanueva is supervised by jersey number 10. Alvarado. Alvarado pass. Alvarado. Alvarado pass to Marina. Last minutes and 20 seconds. Score is 39-30 in favor of Brewers. Gutierrez to Gutierrez. Villanueva for 3. Good for 3 by Mr. Villanueva. Last 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Salazar. Salazar. Rebound by Mr. Gutierrez. Last 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Villanueva. 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 No good. Rebound by Mr. Alvarado. Villanueva. Alvarado. Second personal foul, first team foul. Score is 39-36 in favor of Brewers. Number 1 by Mr. Alvarado. Number 11 by Mr. Alvarado. Villanueva. 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 Seymour. Last 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Score is 41-36 in favor of Brewers. Javier. Javier for 2. Good for 2 by Mr. Javier Alvarado. Pass to Nas. Nas to Alvarado. Alvarado. 15 seconds to shoot. Alvarado. Alvarado. Rebound by Mr. Alvarado. Alvarado. Foul ball. Gutierrez. Villanueva doing from last 7 minutes and 48 seconds. Gutierrez. 15 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez, pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass and steal. Marina passes Salazar. Last 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Salazar. Salazar pass to Alvarado. Alvarado. Alvarado pass to Salazar. Salazar. Javier. Foul. Jersey number 1. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Nag-comment pala si Paeng maganda ang alis ko. Bakit ka wala ka rin ang coach, diba? Asan gari? Wala na, ubos na band. Paeng, ubos na ang band P.
Salazar, last 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Pass to Nas. Nas to Salazar. Salazar. Salazar pass to Alvarado. Alvarado to Nas. Nas. Last 6 minutes and 48 seconds.
Joke lang!
Score
Hindi pa
is
namin natutunan.
40-45 still in favor of Brewers. Hugger pass to Remo. Remo. Mr. Remo. Abelardo pass to Obrador. Last 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Scoring 1-3-4-1. 2-2 Brewers. 15 seconds to shoot. Salazar. Jersey number 8, third personal foul. Jersey number 8 out, jersey number 12 point. Overall pass 2. Salazar. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar. Pass to Nash. Jersey. Number 9, Villanueva dribbling the ball. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Villanueva. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Salazar. Salazar pass to Obrador. Foul. Jersey number 24. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Running for
Shoot mo, gusto mo pa-shoot. Kape pala sa ano yun.
Villanueva. Villanueva. Foul. Remaining time 5 minutes and 90 seconds. Versus 42 in favor of South Coast. Mr. Manuel by Mr. Villanueva. Obrador. Last 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Obrador. Obrador. Obrador for 3. No good. Out of bounds.
Galing outbound dyan, galing outbound. Hindi tutuloy ang oras doon.
Villanueva. Villanueva. Villanueva pass to Divina. Divina to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Saber. Last 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Score is 46-43. Still in favor of Dreamers. Still by Mr. Lance. Pass to Obrador. Out of bounds. Jersey number 21 out. Jersey number 13. Villanueva pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass to Villanueva. Villanueva for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Mayor. Obrador. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Obrador. Obrador. Obrador to last. Last Obrador. Last. In favor of Dreamers. Last 4 minutes. Gutierrez pass to Divina. Divina for 3. Foul.
Minuto.
Jersey number 1.
Jersey number 1, third personal foul.
Kailan na?
Third team foul. Opener, last 15 and 40 seconds. Opener. Opener for 2. Good by Mr. Opener. Opener, pass to Nash. Nash to Opener. Opener, pass to Opener. Opener, pass to Opener.
Shot lock.
Pass to Opener, 5 seconds, shoot.
Sino tumira?
Opener, pass to Nash. Nash, pass to Opener. Opener. Opener for 3. Good by Vina. Last 3 seconds. 2 by Mr. Opener. Vina. Jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 2 minutes and 1 second. Score is 40 in favor of Dreamers.
At naapakan.
Opener, last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Opener. Opener, pass to Opener. To violation. Foul is ball. Gutierrez. Out of bounds. Jersey number 13. Junior Leva, pass to Divina. Last 13 seconds to shoot. Villanueva. Remo, defended by Mr. Remo. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Salazar. Salazar. Ten seconds shoot. Salazar. Pass to Mayor. Defended by Mr. Mayor. Opener. Remaining time last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Score is 48-47. Salazar, pass to Opener. Opener to Salazar. Salazar, pass to Opener. Opener to remaining time last 1 minute and 33 seconds. Score is 51-47 in favor of Dreamers. Gutierrez, pass to Mayor, to Remo. Remo, shortened by Mr. Remo. Opener, last 1 minute and 19 seconds. Score is 51-49 in favor of Dreamers. Opener, pass to Opener. Opener, to Nash.
7.
To Rania. Gutierrez, pass to Villanueva. Villanueva, shortened by Mr. Villanueva. Salazar. Last 50 seconds. Salazar, last 15 seconds to shoot. Salazar, pass to Opener. Opener for 3. Good to become a Mr. Nash. Mayor.
All 50.
Opener, last 15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time, 18 seconds. Score is 51. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Remaining time, 11 seconds. 3 seconds. 5 seconds.
Lilipat ata sila.
Solis.
Lilipat ng Kadyawan.
Gutierrez pass to Remo. Salangsak. Papalayo. Score is all 50.
Lilipat ng Kadyawan yung mga.
Gutierrez pass to Villanueva. Jersey number 6, Mr. Salangsak. Pass to Obrador. Pass to Obrador. Salangsak. Pass to Obrador. Save ball. Remaining time last 13 seconds to shoot. Obrador pass to Salangsak for 3. Good rebound by Mr. Nas. Mr. Nas over there. Obrador pass to Obrador for 3. Good rebound by Mr. Reno. Mayor to Gutierrez to Villanueva. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Remaining time last 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Score is on 53. Obrador pass to Obrador to Salangsak for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Gutierrez to Villanueva. Jersey number 8, third personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time last 8 minutes and 19 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Reno pass to Mayor. Good for 2 by Mr. Mayor. Obrador pass to Obrador pass to Obrador. Villanueva. Steal by Mr. Oppenheimer. Obrador pass to Nas. Good for 2 by Mr. Nas. Remaining time last 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Score is all 55. Gutierrez. 15 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul. Jersey number 8. number 24, third personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time left at last 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Obrador, pass to Obrador. Obrador, pass to Obrador. Pass to Sarasang. Nas to Obrador. Obrador. Obrador, move. Gumamit sa Gutierrez. Pass to Gutierrez. Last 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Gutierrez. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by Mr. Obrador. Gutierrez. Foul. Jersey number 1. Warning for foul down. First team foul. Second team foul rather.
Nakatira na nga pala na isa.
Moving on by Mr. Gutierrez, substitution. Jersey number 18 in, jersey number 1 out. Salangsang. Salangsang, pass to Obrador. Salangsang, pass to Obrador. Obrador, pass to Obrador. Obrador, Obrador. Jersey number
6.
Insert jersey number 6, first personal foul, second foul. Last 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Pinagsabayan. Pinaway.
Villanueva. Obrador. Obrador.
Ang hanap pa rin ng paraan eh.
Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Scoring 60 over. Remo. Zogo. Harina. Salangsang. Obrador. Obrador.
Shot lang.
8 seconds shoot. Obrador. Harina. Harina.
Tatanggalin na muna.
Sakit ng sa lalamunan.
Tanggal sa lalamunan na. Tanggal ang tutuli eh. Ayun! Siya yung nag-inbound!
seconds to shoot. Steal. By jersey number 8. Steal by jersey. 10 seconds to shoot. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Score is 63.
Shot lock, shot lock.
5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8. Warning for foul out. Third team foul.
Ano daw?
Bakit 24? Nasa front court. Maalam pa kayo dito? Ba't daw 14 lang? Eh, nasa front court.
Remaining time, that's 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Villanueva.
Shot lock, shot lock.
10 seconds to shoot. Javier. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Matibag. Foul. Jersey number 12. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to Obrador. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Obrador pass to Salangsang. Salangsang to Obrador. 15 seconds to shoot. Obrador. Out of bounds. Last 4 minutes. Mayor. Pass to Villanueva. Same ball. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 49 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Score is 64-56 in favor of Dreamers. Foul. Jersey number 12. Warning for foul down. Warning for penalty. Obrador pass to Obrador. 15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Final number 2.
Wait lang.
Jersey number 10.
Third.
Jersey number 10, third. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Score is 66-58. Still in favor of Dreamers. Villanueva. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Javier. Javier, no good rebound by Mr. Salangsang. Salangsang to Obrador. Jersey number 10. Warning for foul out.
Penalty tayo?
Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 1 seconds. Score is 66-58. of Dreamers. Matibag pass to Distor. Last 3 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Distor for 3. Good shooting by Distor. Distor. Opener. Opener pass to Opener. Opener pass to Opener. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Distor dribbling the ball. Pass to Matibag. Matibag. Good for 2 by Distor Matibag. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Second foul. Pass to Apollo. Apollo. Pass to Harina. Harina to Apollo. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Opener. Javier. Pass to Divina. Divina to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Distor. Gutierrez for 3. No more. Rebound by Distor. Open Dario. Remaining time last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Score is 60-50.
Dalawa na lang.
In favor
Minutes.
of Dreamers. 10 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Gutierrez. To Javier. Javier.
Nagtumbahan.
Sino yung time out? Time out.
Time out. Dreamers. Remaining time last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Score is 68-65. 3-point lead of Dreamers.
Ay. Dalawang timeout, isang timeout.
O, penalty na ba daw?
Kung penalty na daw, Oo. Parehas.
Penalty
Both teams
na
ang
daw,
penalty,
parehas.
sabihin mo. Dalawa.
Ang both teams na po ay penalty. Then, ang Boros sa Paiwan may isang timeout and South ay dalawa.
14 daw, warning for faking a foul. 14 ng Burol.
Jersey number 14 from Boron. Warning for faking foul.
Ano nangyari? Sino 14?
Hey. Sabi isa na lang timeout nila.
Hansa. Pass to Amador. 15 seconds to shoot. Amador.
Shot lock ha.
9 seconds to shoot. Referee for foul down, penalty.
Hindi, 3 shots, 3 shots. 3 shots yan.
Remaining time last 31 seconds. Jersey number 14. Second personal foul, penalty.
Hey, tatay mo pa.
Parehas, parehas.
Oh my God.
Remaining time last 36 seconds. Score is 69-65 in favor of Dreamers.
Ano yun?
Sabi mo, wala ng timeout.
Wala na.
Wala pong timeout ng Dreamers.
Dito, ilan pa? Ilan pa dito?
Southeast, dalawa pa po ang timeout. Remaining time last 26 seconds.
Wala naman na sanang magkasi.
Score is 69-67 in favor of Dreamers.
Hindi ko napansin eh, bigay na pala. Hindi ko na dapat pinansal yan. Kilala ko na.
Relax, relax, relax. Ang pulis mo.
Last 26 seconds.
Ako ang kinakabahan.
Salaksang, pass to Obrador. Obrador. Pass to Salaksang. Salaksang. Salaksang, pass to Obrador. Obrador. Pass to Hell. Jersey number 6. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty na nga pala.
Hey, Makoy, Makoy! Patanong nga kung basket timeout. Patanong kung basket timeout. Yung coach. Kung basket timeout. Basket.
Ano, nawawala na yung mic, be. Nawawala na yung mic.
Advance yan. Front court yan. May isa pa silang timeout. Quick 3. Quick 3, foul, timeout. Ganun ulit.
No. Last 12 seconds. Last 12 seconds. Villanueva.
Sub lang, sub, sub.
Sub lang po, sub lang.
Sub lang.
Sub lang po, sub.
Hey, pasok, pasok.
Sub lang po yun, sub lang. Sub. Remaining time last 6 seconds. Score is 7-1.
Sala mo lang. Hey, ta-time out.
to 67 po.
Mas mataas ka standing muscle.
Villanueva.
Hindi.
Villanueva, pass to restore. Restore for 3. No good. No good.
Ako na! Good na ako.
69 din na official score. Basket daw, di ba?